The internet, an endless frontier of information and connection, brings with it a myriad of risks: cyberbullying, identity theft, scams, and exposure to inappropriate content, to name a few. Being savvy about your online activities isn't just a good skill, it's a necessity for safeguarding your personal information and well-being. How to protect yourself online.
Unlock your child's full potential with our Social Emotional Learning (SEL) course. Dear parents and guardians, are you looking for a way to empower your child with the skills they need to thrive both in and out of the classroom? Look no further. Our cutting-edge Social Emotional Learning (SEL) course is designed to transform your child's life by enhancing their emotional intelligence, boosting their social skills, and laying the foundation for a successful future. Why join our SEL course? Build emotional resilience, equip your child to navigate life's ups and downs with confidence and positivity. Enhance social skills, foster empathy, cooperation, and effective communication, preparing them to build lasting relationships. Boost academic performance. SEL skills are linked to improved concentration, higher academic achievements, and a love for learning. Promote mental well-being. Cultivate a healthy mindset that supports overall mental health and well-being. Prepare for the future. In today's rapidly changing world, social and emotional skills are key to professional success and personal satisfaction. Special invitation for you. We're excited to invite your child to embark on this transformative journey. By signing up today, you're not just enrolling them in a course, you're investing in their future. Our interactive, engaging, and evidence-based curriculum is designed to make learning enjoyable and impactful. Exclusive offer: sign up now and receive a 10% early bird discount. Plus, gain access to exclusive resources that will support your child's learning journey. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Empower your child to be the best they can be, equipped with the essential skills for success in life and relationships. Join our SEL course today and watch your child flourish. Click the link in the description box. Take the first step towards your child's brighter, more resilient future. Enroll now and be part of a community dedicated to positive growth and lifelong success.